figs. Ayan, maliit lang pala ang figs, oh. That is grandma's plants. Wow!
That one's good. You can have that one for
What?
Okay.
That one
You
figs
hold.
also, grandma.
You hold.
Oh,
No,
look at this
that'll be-
chili, green chili.
Oh, yeah, green chilies.
Look at that.
Yeah, we will.
Yeah, celery.
Which one is
thyme.
celery, grandma? This one?
Celery.
Local celery?
Celery.
Wow.
Oh, look.
You smell.
Here, Marley, look. Look.
Look! Wow!
Oh, hard to eat it.
Wow, it's strawberry.
here's
look
one.
at that strawberry,
Here's
Manu.
one.
Get
We'll
that
have.
one,
We gotta
grandma.
wash it.
You gotta
We'll
wash it. This one, oh, there's another one down here.
Oh,
Look at that, Molly.
Oh,
It's a big.
this one.
Oh,
Here's another one. Yay!
oh, there's more here.
Oh, look.
Look, there's one. Oh, so many strawberries, grandma.
Yeah.
There,
Yeah.
there.
Did I hold it? I hold it. Oh.
Oh, Marley, look at this. There's two strawberry down here. Look, it's a very tiny one. Okay. Can you pick it up? Pick it up.
Oh, look. Oh, look at this one.
One at a time, Marley.
Oh, something's eating them. Look.
Oh, yucky.
You're going to have the ones that they've been eating.
No, pick. Oops. All right. Then,
Yeah.
pick then. Okay. No, give me the figs.
Okay.
No, later. We will wash that
We
one.
wash them
We wash
first.
it first. We wash it
Another big
off.
one. Look.
Okay.
Oh.
Nice.
Okay.
Okay.
Yum.
Rhubarb. This one.
Yeah, rhubarb.
But there's no fruits.
Yeah, they've got to be ready.
This
You
one,
want more?
this one, Mom, what is this?
Pears.
Oh, yeah.
Pear.
Look at her basil. Look at grandma's basil. It's very nice. Kapag malapit ng autumn, guys, yung mga halaman, nagganyan na ang kulay niya o nag-yellow. Pero after nyan, ang ganda na. Pag kumpleto na bloom na siya, ganyan na ang nagiging kulay niya. Tapos, magiging mas darker pa daw yung. Ang ganda, di ba? Pag malapit na ang autumn, yan. Ganyan daw yan. So, ito ang garden ni Grandma. Yan. Mula dito. Wait lang, Mali. Mula dito. Yan. Ang laki ng bahay nila. Meron silang olive tree. 3 olive tree nila. Tapos to, puro to rosemary. Ang ganda, no? Dalaglaga na ang mga pero kasi ang dami na. Hindi naman na nila kinakain. Pero ang tamis, kumain kami kanina. Ang tamis. Magasarap tong figs. Fresh. Oh. Ikot tayo, Marley. Oh. Hey, Marley mo. Wow. Lemon ni Grandma. Lemon trees ni Grandma. Another lemon tree here. Sana umaraw para malamig. Another lemon tree. Lemon tree. Yung green lime nandun sa kabila. Lemon tree. Yes, umaraw. Yay! Marley. Guys, itong puno na to is cherry tree. Cherry. Maliit lang ang puno ng cherry. Yan, dito sa harap yan ang kitchen nila, ang cherries. Pero wala namang cherry na tanim. Walang cherry na bunga. Masarap mamuhay dito sa Australia. Kailangan na may trabaho ka. Pero mura ang mga bilihin. Mas mura kaysa Singapore. Ang ganda ng aloe vera ni Grandma. Ang tataba. Dapat pala naglagay ako sa buhok ko. Mamaya nga maglalagay ako. Ang taba, oh. Ang ganda, ang ganda. Ang dambong. Ang daming ang lago niya. Ito yung sa may likod naman ng bahay nila. Ang Camila, pero walang bunga.
What's the line there?
Okay, line. Okay, go. Say, excuse me, may I pass? Excuse me, may I pass? Careful, ha? Careful. Tignan naman ninyo yung laki ng garden. Dapat nagtatanim din dito si grandma ng kamote. Di kasi sila mahilig sa ganyan eh. Yan oh. Tapos pag gusto ninyo mag-unwind dito sa likod oh, pwede kayong mag-ano. Oh, yan ang mga roses. Ito hindi ko alam, para tong apple eh. Ito oh. Mali, hang on darling. Ito oh, para siyang apple. Kinakain to eh. Kinakain yan. Ayan, dito oh. Mga roses. Daming roses. Sarap dito. Tapos ang lamig-lamig. Oh, mag-autumn na talaga. Look at this. Lavender. Okay na, come on. Come on na, ikot pa tayo. Come on, come here. No, yeah, we go home on this side. Yan, tas meron silang Saint Patrick na dito. Oh, kasi Catholic sila. Tas, oh, may mga duck, may mga rabbit. Oh, Marley, I can see a... Oh, birdie. Meron daw possum dito eh. Sa taas ng bahay, nag-iingay. Nag-scratch ng ano. Pero hindi ko nakita. Oops. Yan yung kanilang tangke. Saan ba kami dumaan? Dito ba kami dumaan kagabi? Ay, dito pala. Come here, Marley. Laki ng garden nila, my God. Ay, hindi. This is closed, Marley. I don't know where to go. Where did we go yesterday, Marley mo? Ganda nito, oh. Okay, come on. Di ko na alam. Doon yata tayo dumaan sa kabila, eh. Ang laki ng garden niya, grabe. Meron silang gardener. Tapos, meron ding naglo-lawn mowing. Sarap tumira dito, no? Okay. Lawn mowing si grandpa dito sa likod ng bahay. Kahapon sa harap ng bahay pala. Kahapon sa likod. Ngayon dito naman sa harap kasi na sobrang laki ng garden nila. So, yung lawn mowing, malaki din space. Sobrang huge nitong bahay na to.